Our vision was to make it homely. It's a beautiful, welcoming, grand front. I want them to say, these guys hit the brief.
You got me at the grass tree.
Well, you got me at this arbour. I absolutely love that arbour.
And with wisteria.
Oh, my God, my favourite.
That's going to invade that and be such a pretty canopy.
Absolutely.
See, this garden is engaging in its simplicity.
Yes.
It couldn't be more different to next door. But it's lovely.
Yes.
It's really, really lovely, and it's pared back. And Darren, I agree with you. It had me at the grass tree as well.
I love them
Grass
so
tree
much.
there and wisteria here. I'm in heaven.
Shona thinks the bricks are fabulous.
I'm just loving all the different multicoloured bricks and looks, and having all those bricks is really a 40s thing.
But it's such a beautiful focal point as you walk in, and you've got travertine concrete, travertine brick, grass tree, and then all that beautiful weatherboard.
Neil was putting himself in the shoes of the buyer.
We have got the advantage of knowing what lies on the other side of those front doors. It would be so exciting, the journey that these houses take you on.
Yeah.
You know, from the heritage front to the contemporary back.
This is more grass than what's next door, isn't it? So you could actually hang in here, and considering it's half the size of what next door is, it feels like you could actually play out here and take your time in this space a little bit more than what's next door.
Shona believes it is the simplicity of your garden that ties it together so well.
It's not lots of different plants on top of each other. There's room to breathe. The garden is not overwhelming the house.
No.
And that's what I was feeling next door. The garden was very much overwhelming.
Darren really likes all of the planting.
It's remarkable. It is absolutely astounding that you can get this level of landscaping done in this amount of time.
Summing up, a simple and elegant garden that has been expertly executed.
They loved our simplicity. I think that's really cool because we were wanting to do something beautiful and just stay true to the home.
This is exciting. Love it.
Great job, that's it.
I wasn't expecting that. Thank you.